today we are going to start a new unit, that is company accounts. Now company accounts, okay, sometimes we start up a business through a company, and many a times we have to turn our business from partnership to company. When number of partners increases, the business automatically turn to company. Business does not remain to a partnership firm. In this company accounts, here we will study accounting for share capital. Now here, whatever accounting we have to do for share capital, all things will be taught here. Now company account. So basically it's an association of persons. Persons means many persons, okay, which is formed and registered under Companies Act. Company is formed, legally formed through a Companies Act. It is different, quite different from your partnership firm and any other business. So company is what? Is an artificial person created by law having separate entity with perpetual succession and a common seal. Now, what do you mean by this definition? Let us study more about this definition, that how the company is an artificial person. So company is created by a law. Company is life, but it is an artificial person because it does not have a physical existence. Whenever, okay, any deal which is done in company is made by the name of company. Whatever actions are taken, so what the name is present there? The name of company. So company is an artificial person which is having a separate entity. Means company is separate from its member. Members are different and company is different. So everything is in name of a company, not in name of its member. यहाँ कंपनी में क्या होता है? ओनर नहीं होता है. वी आर हैविंग डायरेक्टर. कंपनी इज टोटली सेपरेट entity, means separate from its member. Now, so basically we say separate legal entity. Now perpetual succession. What do you mean by perpetual succession? Perpetual existence, that is, it is not affected by death of its member. What happens? We have seen in partnership that if any death arises, the partnership need to be closed. But here the company keeps on going on without affecting by death of its partners and also having a common seal. So company is an artificial person which is created by law, having separate entity with perpetual succession and common seal. Now next we go to the characteristics of a company. First of all, incorporation. Incorporation means how the company is made. Here, so this is totally created by the process of law. Only by the process of law the company can be created, or we can say incorporated. So law, which law? Companies Act 2013 or any other provision, okay, under any provision of Companies Act. Second characteristics of a company is that it is separate legal entity, means separate from its member. Artificial person, perpetual existence, you already know. Limited liability. Here the liability of company is limited, okay. Company, liability of company is limited, means liability is limited to the percent of share of the company. Transferability of shares, okay, the one person is allowed to transfer its shares to another person. So these were characteristics of companies. We are having two more characteristics of company, that is management, ownership and common seal. Now management and ownership. Company is not managed by all members. Like partnership was managed by all partners, but company is not managed by its all members, okay. So how the company is managed? By their representative, okay. Member decide the director of a company, okay. There is a director, there is a board meeting in which the director is decided, selected by the election is held in company, okay. Vote. Each vote of each member, a director is selected.